Hey guys, welcome back to Box Sleep Reviews. Today we are doing something a little bit different. We're going to be putting together the Silk and Snow wooden bed frame. And we're really excited about this one. It's Japanese joinery, very minimal pieces here as you can see, and very minimal tools needed. So really excited to see how quickly this comes together. And I will just say, first impressions are, this is a very solid built quality piece of furniture. Everything is feeling very durable, heavier, and just excited to show you guys how quickly it can come together. So without further ado, let's do it. We got these little legs. Slide in here. Side. Try to make this as easy as possible. There's 4 of those. You can see I started putting it together over there, but it's just 4 of these pieces. And it's pretty sweet. Definitely could do it by yourself. Would be easier with a buddy. But you're gonna see that these things all just slide in. Buddy system is recommended, but we'll get there. Look at that. Sweet. Alright. Now, there is this center beam here. This is a queen size we're putting together. You're going to want to put this in the middle. There's a couple notches in here in the center of the head and foot. Put that in before you get assembled on the other side, otherwise you'll be in trouble. So it won't fit. Okay. Seriously, that's how quick it is to get the base together. As you guys saw, no tools required. And you do need some tools for the headboard. It comes with, let me grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. They do give you an Allen wrench. Let me speed up the process just a little bit using the drill. But basically the headboard is an optional piece. Give its final finished look, if you will. It slides and sits right on top of the headboard here. This one's the one where you probably really need a buddy or a partner the most. Just going to demonstrate. You can totally do it by yourself. Let's get this 2 down, 3 to go. 1 more. And we'll tighten them up. Put the slats on. Call it good. All right. So, real time, that's about how long it takes to put together, right? Alright, I'm gonna get you guys up closer to take a look. About 10 minutes to complete this. And here we go. Let's see. Look at that. Just all put together. I'm going to put a mattress on the top here. And we'll call it good. Very solid quality. You can see here just a little bit of movement on it. Once you get a mattress on this, it's not gonna move. We've now been using it for almost 30 days. Honestly, I have not noticed any movement concerns once the mattress is on there. All right, let's get a mattress on here and we'll be all done. Here you go. Just making sure I put it together right. Nice. Solid. I don't know. You guys have to let me know what you think. Japanese joinery, Silk and Snow, wooden bed frame, one of their most popular. Probably competes with a few of the others out there. I think the other one I'm thinking of is Thuma, that has a similar style. Great value pick. Welcome any questions, comments. If you've had one, you loved it, you hated it, I'd love to hear about your experience. Thank you guys for tuning in. Again, we're Box Sleep Reviews, and we've got your back.